Morning students, today we will continue the derivatives chapter, remaining problems. 12th 11 completed yesterday. 12th one, the derivative of tan inverse 1 plus x square minus 1 by x with respect to tan inverse 2x 1 minus x square 1 minus 2x square. Okay. So to simplify that, first of all, let it be first is u, let it be u. U is equal to tan inverse 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. Okay, you can apply du by d with respect to x, du by dx. You can apply, no problem. But to simplify is better. Let x is equal to. So to simplify means for what value of trigonometric function to remove the root, that you understand. Suppose if you take sine means maybe it is not possible. Take cos like that, secant theta, that is secant and tan is relation is there. Therefore, let x is equal to secant theta. Theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to secant inverse x. That implies q is equal to tan inverse 1 plus secant square theta. Is there 1 plus secant square theta minus 1 divided by secant theta, that is 1 plus x square. Okay, no formula. 1 plus x square correct, but secant square theta minus 1 is the, that it will take tan. Tan is better. Why means 1 plus secant square theta not there, secant square theta minus 1 is there. Better to take tan theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse x. Therefore, this is tan square theta, tan theta. This is equal to tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Okay, root of tan inverse secant square theta value is equal to secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. So that implies, how to simplify this one? Simplify means tan u is equal to tan inverse secant theta can be written as 1 by cos. So that implies 1 minus cos theta by cos theta, numerator LCM on that one. This value is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta cancel. U is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. That is 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. This is submultiple 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 2 cancel, sin 1 time cancel. So inside value tan theta by 2. Tan inverse of tan theta by 2, theta by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 into theta. 1 by 2 into theta value. What is tan inverse x? Now this is u, du by dx. Du by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. Next, with respect to another means, let it be b, that is tan inverse 2x 1 minus x square divided by 1 minus 2x square. This one. Here also better to take a trigonometric value in terms of x, then it is simplified. So for what value? 1 minus, so only two formulas, 1 minus cos square theta and 1 minus sin square theta are better. So let x is equal to take sin theta tan inverse 2x 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta tan inverse 1 minus sin square theta value. So here x plus also sin theta. X plus sin theta. This is equal to 2 sin theta 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. Root cos square theta value is equal to cos theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, leave it. This one 2 sin square theta value. can write this is sin 2 theta. Mm, 1 minus sin square theta value is equal to, okay, right, this can be written as sin square theta minus of plus sin square theta. Okay. This can be written as 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. So that implies tan inverse this value sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. 1 minus sin square theta, take bracket. 1 minus sin square theta value, bracket. Cos square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta, that formula is equal to cos 2 theta. Sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta. Tan inverse tan 2 theta. This is equal to 2 theta. Therefore, B is equal to 2. Theta value is from this. Theta is equal to sin inverse x. V is equal to 2 sin inverse x. Therefore, dV by dx is equal to 2 by 1 minus x square. So, with respect to u with respect to v, therefore, du by dv is equal to du by dx divided by dv by dx. What is the value? 1 by 2, 1 plus x square whole divided by 2 by 1 minus x square. That implies 2 1 plus x square. This is equal to 1 minus x square root by 2. So, which option? And at x is equal to 0 given. So, this is du by dv at x is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 minus 0 root divided by 4 into 1 plus 0. This value is equal to 1 by 4. This value is equal to 1 by 4. Is the second option is the correct answer, 1 by 4. Right. 13th problem, x given and y given, differentiate with respect to theta, dx by d theta and dy by d theta, dy by dx find out at theta is equal to pi to 4. That is parametric, in theory also is there. Do this homework. And 14th problem. Same like this only. That's the problem. 14. X is equal to a of t minus 1 by t. Y is equal to a of t plus 1 by t. Where t is the parameter, then dy by dx. Then dy by dx. Okay. Dy by dx means here is t is there with respect to first of all dx by dt or dy by dt. Dy by dt divided by dx by dt. That is dy by dx. That is one method. Or by directly write what is this value? 1 plus 1 by t square like that. Otherwise, like this one. A plus b into a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. For also you can apply, no problem. Remember this one, otherwise dy by dt dx by dt. Therefore, this is a square t plus 1 by t whole square minus a square t minus 1 by t whole square. Easy remove. A square this value t plus 1 by t whole square minus t minus 1 by t whole square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, formula 4ab. That implies 4ab. T cancel. Therefore 4a square. This value y square minus x square. From this direct differentiation, 2y dy by dx minus 2x constant. This value is equal to 0. Right? Dy by dx 2y is equal to 2x. That implies dy by dx is equal to x by y. Third option is the correct answer. Right. Next 15. Find dy by dx if x is equal to in terms of theta and y is equal to in terms of theta. First you find dx by d theta. Next you find dy by d theta. Dy by dx is equal to this also parameter form. Dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Apply the formula. Okay, same this also. Next 16 y value given and tan inverse a minus x by x minus b. So then what is the value? This is in integration. This type of models also is there in integration chapter. So integration of root of x minus a minus x by x minus a, like that is there. So now we will take x is equal to something tan inverse a minus x by. So okay, right. Take y is equal to 16. Y is equal to root of a minus x x minus b minus a minus b tan inverse a minus x by x minus b root. Okay, in integration, this type of models are there. For this to simplify, they ask dy by dx. So this is lengthy process. 1 by 2 root of x into inside root value. For that we can use some lengthy. So for that to simplify, easy means let x is equal to a square. What will show that a minus x into a plus that one options 1 root of a minus x, like that. Okay. Let x is equal to, take better, cos square theta plus b sin square theta. Suppose we remove. Here a minus b is there and here a minus x minus b. Suppose we want a value. A cos square theta is equal to x minus b sin square theta and a into 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta value. X minus b sin square theta. Okay, this is a minus a sin square theta x minus b sin square theta. Take that side. A minus y means something for this. A minus x value is equal to, shift that side, a sin square theta minus b sin square theta. So a minus b sin square theta. Suppose we want in place of x minus b concept, we'll take this one only. B sin square theta is equal to x minus a cos square theta. This can be written as 1 minus cos square theta is equal to x minus a cos square theta. So b minus x, b of cos square theta, center side, minus a cos square theta. This is equal to b minus a cos square theta. But in denominator x minus b is there. That's why x minus b is equal to, here also minus apply, a minus b cos square theta. Okay, right. Now substitute in this one. Y is equal to, what is a minus x? A minus x value, a minus b sin square theta into x minus b. X minus b value a minus b cos square theta root. Cos square theta root minus a minus b. Now tan inverse a minus x. A minus x is equal to a minus b sin square theta divided by x minus b. A minus b cos square theta. Okay. Here a minus b, a minus b 2 times is there. Right outside a minus b. Sin square theta cos square theta is there. Right. This also like this one. Sin theta cos theta minus a minus b tan inverse a minus b cancel. Sin square by cos square is equal to tan square theta. Under root tan square theta is equal to tan theta. Right. Okay. Sin theta cos theta a minus tan of tan theta is equal to theta. A minus b common. This is 1 by 2 or else here only multiply. This value sin 2 theta minus theta. So into a minus b. So finally y is equal to a minus b 1 by 2 sin 2 theta minus theta. We want to divide by x. They ask dy by dx. Okay. Dy by dx means dy by d theta by dx by d theta. From that x is equal to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta. What is dx by d theta? A into 2 cos theta minus sin theta plus b into 2 sin theta derivative cos theta. So 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Here minus is there. Therefore b minus a sin 2 theta. Right. Now here dy by d theta. From this dy by d theta is equal to, this is constant same inside value cos 2 theta into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 1. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta b minus a sin 2 theta. B minus a sin 2 theta. Half. Suppose if you minus you take common, b minus a this also. So 1 minus 2 cos 2 theta. B minus a cancel. 2 sin reciprocal 2 theta divided by 1 minus 2 cos 2 theta. This type of answer is there. This type of answer, what the problem? Okay, not there. This type of answer, not there. Okay. 1 minus d by sorry. This is d by first you take. Reciprocal. dy by d theta is equal to 1 by 2 A minus B, or here B minus is there means theta for this. Okay. 1/2 for not this one. Better to individual derivative. Individual derivative. Sin 2 theta minus a minus b of theta. So dy by d theta. Dy by d theta is equal to 1 by 2 a minus b cos 2 theta into 2 a minus b, theta derivative a minus b, right? These two cancel. Okay. Now 1 by 2 also not there. This is equal to a minus b common cos 2 theta minus 1. Here dx by d theta b minus is there, so that's why you can convert into b minus a 1 minus cos 2 theta. Take minus common. Now substitute b minus a 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by b minus a sin 2 theta. So this one is cancel. 1 minus cos 2 theta formula 2 sin square theta. Okay, again to cancel. This is 2 sin theta cos theta. Theta cancel. That implies tan theta. So finally dy by dx value is equal to tan theta. Right? Tan theta. Theta is equal to what? Tan inverse. Tan theta is equal to what will do from this? This is tan inverse a minus x totally this value. So finally that only answer. Tan theta is equal to what is the tan inverse x? Let it be. This is equal to theta. Tan theta is equal to root of a minus x. Therefore, or else take from this equation 1 and 2. Any doubt means this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, 2. We want sin theta means 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? Sin square theta a minus b by cos square theta a minus b is equal to that is a minus x divided by x minus b. Cancel. Tan square theta is equal to a minus x by x minus b. Tan theta is equal to root of a minus x by x minus b is the answer. Which option? So second option is the correct answer. A minus x divided by x minus b. Right. Okay, 17. xy is equal to tan inverse xy plus cot inverse xy, then dy by dx is equal to, we know tan inverse x plus cot inverse x value pi by 2, so RHS value pi by 2. Therefore how can I 17? That implies xy is equal to pi by 2. Direct apply uv formula left side, pi by 2 derivative 0. Do that problem. Okay. Next, if 18th problem, s is equal to secant inverse 1 by 2x square minus 1. Okay, right. And t is equal to root of 1 minus x square. So ds by dt. So first of all, this can be written as s is equal to 18th problem. S is equal to 1 by 2x square minus 1. This can be written as cos inverse 2x square minus 1. Cos inverse x is equal equal to secant inverse 1 by x. Use that concept. And with respect to x, ds by dx. And next t is equal to root of 1 minus x square dt by dx. So they ask ds by dt means ds by dx whole divided by dt by dx. You get the answer. Do this problem also. Homework. Right. 19th problem. 19 also direct derivative or squaring on both sides and do that problem. Okay. Otherwise I'll explain. 19th problem. X by y plus y by x is equal to a. Okay, so direct derivative root of x by y derivative 1 by 2 x by y whole to the power of 2 minus 1 and x by y u by v formula plus y by x, that also u by v formula. That side a is there, a value is equal to root a value is equal to 0, constant derivative. That method also okay, you can apply, no problem. Or else like this one, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, what happened? X by y, y by x plus 2 into 2a, 2a, a, b is equal to a square. Right? X cancel, y cancel. X by y plus y by x plus 2 is equal to a square. X by y by x, a square minus 2. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. This is constant 0. Y u by v, y into x derivative 1 minus x into y derivative divided by dx divided by y square plus x into divided by dx plus minus y into 1 divided by x square is equal to 0. Okay, right. Divide by y square, that is one method. It will cancel one term and one term. Y 1 by y, here 1 by y minus x by y square divided by dx. Send that side afterwards. Send this side. X into divided by dx means after sending minus for minus apply y minus x into divided by dx whole divided by x square. This one y minus x into divided by dx whole divided by y square. So divide by that one, then y by x square minus x into divided by dx divided by x square. Y cancel and x one can cancel. 1 by y x by y square divided by dx is equal to y by x square minus 1 by x into divided by dx. Divided by dx terms shift this one side. Divided by dx is equal 1 by x minus x by y square is equal to remaining terms send that side minus 1 by y. Okay. Divided by dx is equal to, here is x y square is the LCM. So that implies y square minus x. Here x square y square minus x square is also x square. So finally 1y cancel, 1x cancel. That implies dy by dx, what is remaining term? Y square minus x square, y square minus x square also cancel. Remaining term here y is there, y by here x is there. So y by x is the answer. Question number 19. Second option is the correct answer. Right. Okay. And 20 x is equal to sin inverse 3t minus 4t cube. Here trigonometric function take, let it be t is equal to sin theta, then 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta sin 3 theta concept. Therefore dx by d theta fine. Let y also that side, that also better to take t is equal to sin theta cos inverse of cos theta. So dy by d theta, find out that value. Next 21. The derivative of f of tan x with respect to g of secant x. 21. The derivative of f of tan x with respect to g of secant x. First of all, derivative, differentiate. Like f of x differentiation is equal to f dash tan x into tan x derivative secant square x. Here g of secant x. What is its derivative? G dash secant x into secant x derivative secant x into tan x. F of tan x with respect to this means this divided by, that implies f dash tan x into secant square x divided by g dash secant x tan x. One secant x cancel at pi by 4, at pi by 4, right? F dash pi by 4 given f dash 1. So f dash tan pi by 4 value 1 into secant pi by 4 divided by g dash secant pi by 4 value root 2, g of root 2 also value given, and tan pi by 4. Therefore what is this value? F dash 1 value 2, secant pi by 4 value root 2, g of root 2 value 4, and tan pi by 4 value 1. So that implies 2 to cancel. Answer is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root is the correct answer. First option is the correct answer, right? Next 22. Derivative of tan inverse x by 1 minus x square with respect to sin. Same model like that. With respect to that one means first let it be first value is equal, let it be u, second value is equal to v. First to simplify the first function. How to simplify means denominator 1 minus x square. 1 minus means either take sin or cos. So outside tan inverse is there means upon the sign, denominator sign means sin by cos theta. So let x is equal to sin theta. Okay, and v also sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. That also take x value sin theta. Sin 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta value is equal to sin 3 theta. Sin inverse of sin 3 theta. Sin inverse cancel 3 theta. dv by d theta, du by d theta. That implies with this one with respect to this one. Okay, find this also homework. Next, 23rd. Derivative of logarithm of secant theta plus tan theta with respect to secant at theta is equal to 4. Same as it is above problem or 21 problem. Okay, clear? Right. 24 also same. Tan x is equal to 2t by 1 minus t square. Sin y is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. Okay, you see this one. 24. Tan x is equal to 2t divided by 1 minus t square. What is x? X is equal to tan inverse 2t divided by 1 minus t square. This is formula for x is equal to 2 tan inverse t, 2 tan inverse x, 2x by 1 minus x square, formula 2 tan inverse x in that place. That one, right. And next sin x, sin y. Okay, this value dx by dt. dx by dt is equal to 2 by 1 plus t square. This form. Right. Next y is equal to sin phi. Sin y is equal to 2t divided by 1 minus t square. Y is equal to sin inverse 2t by 1 minus t square. This is also formula for 2 tan inverses in terms of sine. That is inverse trigonometry from that. Okay. Y is equal to 2 tan inverse. dy by dt. Sorry. This is t. dy by dt is equal to 2 divided by 1 plus t square. So 2 divided by 1 plus t square, 2 divided by 1 plus t square. What is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Both are same. Answer 1. So first option is the correct answer. 25. The derivative of log x whole power x with respect to log x. Okay. 25. Let u is equal to log x whole power x. Log x whole power x. This type of problems in theory also is there. Take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. V is equal to log x. Okay. Next one, du by dx divided by dv by dx. That is du by dv. Do this also homework. The derivative of cos cube x with respect to sin cube x. One is u and another is v. First you find du by dx and second you find dv by dx. So du by dx divided by dv by dx, that is with respect to another. Okay, 26 also homework. Next 27. Y is equal to x minus x square. Then the derivative y square is equal to with respect to the derivative of y square with respect to x square. Okay, we see this problem. 27. Y is equal to x minus x square. Then the derivative of y square with respect to x square. Okay, and x square, let it be, let u is equal to y square, derivative of y square with respect to x square, and v is equal to x square. Okay. So means first of all derivative this one and derivative of this one, and hint given, what is hint? If y is equal to x minus x square, from that you will find that. Okay, this way du by dx is equal to 2y into dy by dx, right? So what is dy by dx? From this, dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 2x. So replace this one. du by dx is equal to 2y 1 minus 2x. Okay, 1 minus x. Okay, how to this one? X square dv by dx is equal to 2x. So finally what you want? D with respect to this one, with respect to this one. Therefore du by dx divided by dv by dx. This implies this value du by dv is equal to du by dv is equal to du by dx divided by dv by dx. What is du by dx? 2y 1 minus 2x and divided by 2x. Therefore 2 to cancel. Y into 1 minus 2x divided by x. Answer below. Options. The type of options not there. So y value replace in terms of x. Y value replace in terms of x. That implies x minus x square. X minus x square 1 minus 2x divided by x. So you multiply x minus 2x square minus x square minus into minus plus 2x cube divided by x, right here. Okay, 2x cube minus 3x square plus x divided by x, that implies 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is the answer. It is the option. Okay, second option is the correct answer. Like this we'll do problems. So look students, y is equal to x minus x square, and they ask what is the question? The derivative of y square with respect to x square. Derivative of y square with respect to x square. That's why let it be y is equal, u is equal to y square, v is equal to x square. First we derivative 2y dy by dx, and also we will derivative y dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 2x. Substitute this one. We want a derivative of this with respect to this means this divided by this one. Okay. I have written here, and answer will get in terms of y, but option not in terms of y. So y value x minus x square, substitute, multiply, and it is the correct answer. Okay students, remain problems will continue in next class. Okay, thank you.